Well, I just learned that I can pause my washing machine and my dryer because it was making too much noise for this video. Learn something new every day. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Hi. Listen, I just got my new chlorophyll and let me get the word right. Biotomaceous earth. Okay, I really messed it up. Earth water, chlorophyll, and diatomaceous earth. Okay, my words are a little blurry. You see, guys? Chlorophyll, earth water. I don't know if that's a D or a B. Biomaceous earth, organically made. Okay, so this is the good stuff. This is the good stuff. We're gonna do an unboxing. This is the chlorophyll. Look at it. It's so green. Look at the chlorophyll. This is what the girlies do on the videos. Look at that. Look at that. Chlorophyll in the dropper. Okay. Doot, doot. Look at that. We are dropping it. Where's the camera? There it is. Boop. Real chlorophyll, guys. Look at that. Look at the glass. I really like the dropper. I like that it has a little gold emblem on it. I like that. It's very nice. Very nice. Okay. Now it comes with instructions. We'll get that out last. Here is the earth. This is the earth. Okay. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Ooh. Okay. Now, our instructions that come in the little handy dandy packet tells us to quiet journey. It tells us to get out of my video. Well, it got a little water on it, but the instructions say to 3 drops, do not squeeze, and 1 scoop of white powder to 16 ounces of water. Can't read that backwards, but yeah. Journey, get out of my video. Your hair is not combed. All right. So this is my bottle that I've been using. My sister made one for me in Atlanta, and this was my to-go bottle. So I'm just going to stick with it. This is 33.8 ounces of a bottle, and we're going to make ours in this because it's handy dandy. All right. So she said, what did she say? She said 3 drops, do not squeeze, 1 scoop of white powder to every 16 ounces. So we're going to do 6 drops and 2 scoops because I have double 16 ounces. Okay. Oh, and look at the cute little scoopy thing that came with it. It's so cute. Look at it. It's so cute. This is what we're going to use to scoop our 2 scoops of powder. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. We're going to pour it onto the spoon because that works best. Okay, here we go. We're tapping it. Look at that. You guys think that's a scoopful or should I do more? Okay, 1. All right, we're going to get this in here. It's not as easy as it looks. All right, come on. Doot. Don't want to, I would do this over a paper plate to make sure you don't lose any of your earth. 2. I think I want a little more. No, we're gonna let that do. All right, we put the earth in. That was the earth. And now 6 drops of chlorophyll without squeezing. We're not gonna squeeze because she says not to squeeze. Okay, no squeezing. So we're just going to do 6 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bam. Alrighty. Look at that. It's in there. It's in there. So we're going to fill this up with water. Okay. This is a 16.9 ounce water from someplace. And you know, when she made me my first batch, it really has no taste. I was very surprised that it has no taste, which makes it go down a lot easier. Because we all know how things that are good for you usually don't taste very good. They don't really taste very good. But we consume them anyway because that's what we're supposed to do for our health. I may be late to the game, but I am here now. I'm whole half 100 over here. Yes, I'm 50. I'm half of 100. You have to start taking care of your body. All right. I'm going to drink this today. I guess I did it right. It's the same color as when she did it. So I did it right. Yay. So you guys, go ahead. Go to Sil Says on her Instagram. I'll tag it. And you can purchase your batch as well. So we got to stay healthy, guys. We got to stay healthy. Okay. Bye.